Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. By the chance, this question is only in Hindi, but I would be explaining it to you. So, the first part says that we have to write the laws of reflection and we have to state between the relationship between I and R, incident ray and reflected ray. And the second part is that what is the power of lens, and we have to tell its SI unit, and there is a small numerical in which there are two lenses, one of 40 centimeter focal length and second of minus 20 centimeter focal length, and we have to tell the power of both the lenses. I hope everybody got the question. Now let us move to the solution part. As I said, we have to state the laws of reflection. So these are the laws of reflection. First law states that the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the incident at the point of incidence lie in the same plane. It is the first law, and I hope everybody remembers it. The second law states the sine of angle of incidence bears a constant ratio with sine of angle of refraction for a given pair of media, or sin I upon sin R is equals to constant. The absolute refractive index of a medium is speed of light in air or vacuum upon speed of light in the medium. So this was the first or part of the question. Now let us move to the second. The second was that what is the power of a lens? Its definition. So power of a lens can be defined as its the ability to converge or diverge light rays passing through the lens. Reciprocal of the focal length in meters 1 upon f in meters. So you have to combine all these terms and write a proper definition. And the question also said to write the SI unit. SI unit of power is diopter. Moving on to the small numerical, which said that we have the focal length, a lens of focal length 40 centimeter and minus 20 centimeter, and we have to calculate the power of the both the lenses. So P1 is equals to 100 upon focal length, so it comes out to be plus 2.5 diopter. It is the power of first lens, and similarly the second lens power came out to be minus 5D by this simple formula. And the nature is diverging lens or concave lens, and this lens having plus power was converging lens or convex lens.